Want to control how your Windows PC connects to networks? Windows security includes Microsoft Defender Firewall to help block unauthorized network access. In this guide, I'll show you how to check the firewall, understand network profiles, and manage basic firewall settings. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app, then choose Firewall and Network Protection. You'll see the network profiles available on your PC and their current firewall status. Start by looking for the network marked as active. Windows can use different profiles, such as domain, private, or public. The active profile depends on the network you're currently connected to. Open the active network profile and check Microsoft Defender Firewall. When you're using Windows' built-in firewall, make sure the firewall is turned on. This helps block unauthorized connections while allowing normal network traffic. Private networks are generally used for trusted networks, like your home network. Public networks are designed for places you don't fully trust, such as cafes or airports. So choose the correct network profile for the network you're actually using. If an application can't connect because of the firewall, you can review allowed apps. Open Firewall and Network Protection, then select Allow an app through Firewall. Find the application and check whether it's allowed on the appropriate network type. For more advanced control, select Advanced Settings if it's available. This opens Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, where you can manage inbound and outbound rules. Be careful here, because changing the wrong rule can affect network access or security. If an app isn't working, don't immediately turn the firewall off. Instead, check the app's firewall permissions or create an appropriate rule. Disabling the firewall can leave your PC more exposed to unauthorized network connections. Finally, return to Firewall and Network Protection and review the profiles again. Make sure your active network has the expected firewall protection and that you haven't accidentally changed an important setting. And that's how to use the firewall in Windows Security. Keep Microsoft Defender Firewall enabled, use the correct network profile, and only allow apps you trust. These simple checks can help keep your Windows PC safer while you're online.